Got a driveway that needs some TLC? Whitaker's Paving Pros has the perfect solution. Tar and chip paving. Hi there, folks. We're Whitaker's Paving Pros in Roanoke, Virginia, and serving all surrounding areas, including Smith Mountain Lake. We're here to share our secret to perfect driveways tar and chip paving. It's simple, really. We spray a thin layer of hot asphalt, think of it as liquid gold, onto your road surface. Then we immediately cover it with crushed rock or chips. A roller drives over the surface, pressing those chips firmly into the asphalt, creating a protective seal that extends the life of your pavement. What's cool about this? It fills small cracks, prevents water from seeping in, and adds a rough texture for better grip, especially in snowy conditions. Plus, it's eco-friendly and cheaper than traditional asphalt. With over 30 years of experience, Frank Whitaker and his team do the job right the first time, every time. No wonder we have a flawless 5-star record on Google reviews. So, for a top-notch, long-lasting driveway, give us a call at 540-892-9781 or email frank123.fw@gmail.com. Visit our new location in Moneta, Virginia, 16575 Moneta Road, Moneta, Virginia 24121. Whitaker's Paving Pros. We take paving personally.